Hi, it's Nasha from Cloud and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a blog post in WordPress. So when you load up your website on the default menu, this is what it looks like. So what you need to do is you need to go on post, then you click on post, and then you click on add new. So you find that maybe when you're using a page builder, it will be the default text editor for the blog. So maybe you might want to change that to visual. Unless if you are experienced with the page builder, that's maybe when you can use your page builder. Otherwise, I would recommend that you use the text editor that you can find when you click on visual. Why? Because this visual editor is similar to the Microsoft Office interface, so you find that it will be much easier to use for beginners. Yeah. So I'm just going to write an example title, and then what you need to do is you come here where you can write your paragraph, and then I have some text copied already, so I'm just going to paste some of the text, or you can just write your own. If you're authoring your own texts or your own content, you can just write it on here. Yeah, so this is the toolbar here that you can use to format all these items in here. You can put bullets, you can do all the stuff that you like. You can also even add media, you can add pictures, you can add videos, you can add links. Everything is pretty much there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you might want to set an image for this post. So what you do is you need to scroll down, and then you come right here on the bottom right widget where it says featured image, and then you click on set featured image. So these are the images that I have been already loaded onto the website. So if you like to use any of these images, you just click on the image. If you like to upload a new image, then you click your your file explorer, or you find if you're using a Mac, and then you select the image that you want to use, and then you can just drag it over here, and then it gets loaded. And when it's loaded, you can just click set featured image, and then there it is. And then you'll find that maybe you post a lot of stuff, and then your stuff maybe is categories, say category A, category B. For instance, in this case, this website belongs to a law firm, so you find that the categories in civil law, legal advice, So, for example, what we can do is you can just create another category, which is corporate law, and then you click on add new category. If you want to select the category that's already existing, you just tick on the category already, and then for a nice layout on the image when it's displayed on the website, I always recommend that you put image format, but it depends from theme to theme. On some themes you might not find this theme widget here, where the format widget here, where it lets you choose to say image, video, standard, audio. But just for fun, you might just want to check out how it looks. Maybe when you click on image, when you click on standard, when you click on sign, yeah, you can just find out there. And then what you need to do next is you click on publish. Yeah, so our post has been published, so we can just view how it looks like on the actual front end of the website. Alright, so this is an example title, and then this is our post. Yeah, and you can see that it's falling into the corporate law category. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. And then let's just see how it looks like on the blog page. Alright, So this is what it looks like. This is an example title, and then this is the picture that we set as an featured image, and then this is the text that was coming into the website. Yeah. So this is pretty much it. That's how you make your blog posting in WordPress. Thanks for watching.